You might recognize this iconic juice box from Chinese supermarkets. Its brand has become known as childhood in a box for Chinese communities around the world. In Hong Kong alone, people drink 150 million gallons of Vitasoy drinks each year. That's over 200 Olympic-sized pools. Which means Vitasoy's home-based operations in Hong Kong is massive. Vitasoy was born in Hong Kong in the 1940s.
We have about 22 production lines in this building. So you talk about hundreds, thousands of packs every day, and we're very busy. We work 6 days a week.
The brand is known for its lemon tea, inspired by the lemon tea of Hong Kong's diners, and another classic staple, soy milk.
Today we start with the processing. We make for example, the soy milk in our processing line, and then we go to the filling and the packing line. Basically, all the products they have to be filled in the certain package, then go to a second package. You have 6-pack, and in the carton box in the market.
By the 1960s, Vitasoy had a 25% share of Hong Kong's soft drink market, second only to Coca-Cola.
When the company later on introduced a lemon tea and various tea products, they were the first of their kind in Hong Kong. The company also was the first to apply ultra-high treatment processing technology that enables a longer shelf life.
This meant packaging the glass bottle drinks into cardboard Tetra packs, extending the shelf life to 6 months. In recent years, Vitasoy has also found a growing market in mainland China, which now accounts for 69% of their profits, compared to just 20% a decade ago. Vitasoy's lemon tea fandom is so big in China that there are memes about the drink giving a better high than smoking weed. But its popularity comes at a cost. An environmental activist group estimates that 74% of cartons in Hong Kong's landfills come from Vitasoy products. And recycling drink cartons, an expensive and difficult process, happens at a rate of nearly 0% in Hong Kong. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, we've gone behind the scenes to see how some other iconic Asian products are made. Go check them out and subscribe to Goldthread.